In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we need to do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Teams. So launch the Microsoft Teams desktop app, mobile app, or you can also use the web version via teams.microsoft.com. But for this demonstration, I'm going to be using the desktop app. Now, there's a few different ways how to do this. So on your chat bar here, you can scroll down and choose whoever you'd like to call, or you can use the search and type in that person's name. So for this, I'm going to use search and then type in Lukey, and then from here I want to go ahead and click on Lukey. So I'm going to click on Lukey G. Now from here, inside of this chat where I can type a message, we can also make an audio call or phone call. So on the far right hand corner, we can go ahead and click on audio call, or even if we like, we can do a video call as well. Once you press it, that call is going to get sent out if that person is on.